Hello to all trading enthusiasts and everyone who wants to learn how to trade. Today I'm going to dive into the flat markets. Many people are afraid of them and avoid trading, but that's a mistake. A skilled trader can get profits during flat just as well or even better than in trading markets. Let me show you how it works. Want to start making money from trading as soon as possible? Looking for simple but effective strategies that you can apply right away? Then head over to my trading channel using the link in description. There I share trades based on proven strategies, many of which I have been using since the beginning of my trading career. I'm waiting for you. First, what is a flat trend? How do we identify it? Here's the resistance level. And now we'll draw the support level below. Okay. And let's align them a bit. And here we have our price range, the flat, there the price is moving. But how do we mark a level correctly? By the touch points. We need to see at least 2 points from which the price bounced off a particular zone. Here and here. As you can see both above and below, there are at least 2 such points. That means we have the levels both above and below. And it's precisely from these points that we should trade during the flat, because they offer the most predictable outcomes. And let me show you this clearly with some trades on the chart. For example, we could have entered a short trade right here, the moment price touched the resistance level. This trade would have won. Here's the second one. That one would also have been profitable. And the third as well. In the same way, we would open long trades, but from the support level. Take a look, the price reaches the level, we open a trade, and then this trade would be profitable. The second one too. And let me show you a third one right here. That would have been a winning trade as well. But this one is riskier because you should not trade off an old level. The more bounces a level has had, the higher the chance of breakout. And now I'll show you which indicators work best for trading flat. Someone familiar with trading might be thinking I will show you the RSI and they will be right, because it's literally made for flat moment. As you can see, RSI does a great job tracking and even predicting price reversals. We can even mark our support level here and resistance level too. Here they are. You can clearly see the overbought peaks where we have entered short trades. 1, 2, and 3. The same goes for oversold area, the lower zone. The process is simple. Draw the levels, wait for either an overbought or oversold signal on the RSI, and then enter trade expecting a bounce. The key thing is, don't enter trades from a level if the price has already bounced off it more than 5 times. And now let me show you another indicator. It's called volume. Here what it looks like. Its main purpose is to show the volume of trades. For example, look at this drop and the sharp spike in the volume indicator. As you can understand, volume helps us see how many buyers and sellers are active in the market. For instance, look at this segment. You can clearly see how the volume is fading, which is a great signal to sell the asset. These 2 indicators combined with levels are more than enough to trade during flat markets. That's the end of this video. Let's quickly recap. Don't enter trades of levels that the price has bounced from more than 5 times. The longer a level holds, the higher the chance it will be broken. Always draw your levels as rectangular zones, not single lines. And if you're a beginner, only trade flat markets using the RSI indicator. If you learned something new, give it a like. and subscribe to my channel if you want to become a professional trader. Thanks for watching and see you next time!